guys and welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got my second unboxing of the month and it is Glossybox. Glossybox, for those of you that don't know, is a monthly beauty subscription box. I'm just on their website now because they changed their plans. You can do pay monthly on a rolling contract, which is £10 plus £3.25 postage and packaging per box. You can cancel that any time. Or the new plan, you can sign up for 12 months, but you pay monthly £8.50 plus £3.25. So that is, my brain can't do maths at the minute, £11.75 a month. There's other options as well, like pay up front where you can do it. But yeah, those are the options. Glossybox is very kindly sent to me for free from them, which is amazing. Oh my goodness, I can't get it in this month. It's so heavy. I was out this morning when this got delivered and I just picked it up and it's so heavy. Oh, I got the floral one. This month there was two different designs. It was floral or fruity and I got the floral one. They're so pretty this month. Look how beautiful that is. Normally glossy boxes, the standard box is a pink and black box. I think mine are all packed up because we're renovating, but they're just generally pink, but they do limited edition ones with like pretty patterns and stuff. So yeah, let's have a look at this. Comes tied with a lovely ribbon. I won't look at this yet. I've got so many glossy ribbons. The limited edition ones have like really pretty ribbons. Like I got the Mother's Day one and it says I got it from my mama. So cute. So let's have a look. I cannot believe how heavy this is. Oh my goodness. That is jam packed. Crumbs. Goodness. Right, let's see what this says. So, hey Glossies, we're celebrating spring this month with our vibrant fruity or floral editions. So that's the fruity one with the watermelon and lime, and then that's the floral one that I got. You receive one of two special designs, all bursting with fruit inspired formulas and blooming with flowery fragrances. Our April edits are filled with 5 lusciously scented products, including a revitalizing overnight skincare treatment filled with botanical goodness, a perfume exclusive to match our fruity and floral glossy boxes, and they've also included an extra treat. All these products will help you keep you looking bright and refreshed on the outside. So I'll be sharing some scrumptious smoothies and milkshake recipes on the blog, and that's awesome. And then it tells you what's inside. I'm not going to look yet. I'm just going to grab the first thing. God, this is huge. I feel like have I got one of these? Have I got one of these? I've got something similar. I've got something from the same brand. This is super duper and it's fruity green body butter with babao and macadamia oils. This is cool. Sorry, that was the nursery changing some hours. Yeah, so this is body butter with babao and macadamia oils, pineapple and passion fruit smoothies, 97% natural ingredients. This is a ginormous tub. Look, absolutely huge. How big are you? How big are you? 300 ml. Let's have a look at this. Oh my goodness, that smells amazing. So that's like a body butter. I will be covering myself in this every day because I am dry. Let's have a look what it says in here. Oh, there's two different ones. Oh, I'm pleased I got the one I did. Two different ones. There was the one I got, which is the fruity green, and then there's a zingy ginger, which also sounds nice, but I prefer the one I got. Formulated with 97% natural derived ingredients, including nourishing shea butter and moisturising macadamia oil, 100% vegan, cruelty-free body butter, smooth and hydrates skin. These are full size and they're £10 each. I forgot to tell you guys as well, I do have a discount code that I'll put on the screen and down below for you guys where you can get 20% off your first box. Let's move on. Okay, next up, are you a fragrance? Got a fragrance here. I don't know what you're going to smell like. I'm not going to spray this until I've read what it says. This is full size. This is £20 and 99 pence. It's really pretty packaging. Kind of goes with the flowers on the front. And this is Gian Arthur's. I think that's how you say it. Let Your Dreams Blossom. Produced by Gian and bottled in bespoke floral packaging that matches the design of the box. The perfume boasts a gorgeous woody and floral fragrance. Soft rose, petal and cedar wood with delicious notes of lily, freesia and amber to create a luscious scent that will delight your senses. I don't like rose. I'm going to just spray it on a bit of paper because I don't want to spray it on myself in case it is very rose scented. We will see. Let's have a little look. But this is a big, this is a, how big are you? This is the 30ml bottle, so it's a nice size bottle. Just give it a, there's a little bit of rose, but like not a horrible amount. I can kind of, it just smells really fresh and floral. I like that, that's nice. I'm not gonna spray it on myself now because I've already got perfume on, but that's really nice. And what have we got next? We've got a paw. Now, if you've watched my channel before, you know I've had, anyone that unboxes beauty boxes knows that paw are like a staple. They're in all the boxes. However, this is a new one. This is a new colour. Hot Pink Balm, multi-purpose soothing balm with natural paw for lips, cheeks and cosmetic finishing with a hint of a tint. This is cruelty-free and vegan. This is full size and this is £6.95. Let's have a little look and see what the colour is like on this. Turn my mirror around so I can apply it without making too much of a mess. Oh, it's a pretty pink, look. That is like super hot pink. Oh, I like it. Now, don't get me wrong, Paw is a really good balm. The one without any colour I tend to use like on my elbows or any dry patches that I've got. Obviously you're not going to use this one on your elbows because it's pink. But that's really pretty. It's a really nice colour. I like it a lot. Yeah, 25ml, full size, always nice to have. And I'm really happy that it's a coloured one because I think on my shelf over there I've got like 4 of the original ones. And I'll keep them because they are really, really good. But I've got lots of them. Next up, we've got a Parma's Natural Fusions Chia Seed and Argan Oil Hair Mask, 95% natural. This is just like a one-use sachet. I think, is this, this is the extra treat. This is the Deluxe Mini. Deluxe Mini is worth £1.99. Full size, which is double this, so it's 2 masks, is £2.99. Natural Fusions, we are treating you to an intensive and deeply conditioning hair mask that nourishes dry and damaged locks. Formulated with argan oil, which boosts hydration, rejuvenates dull hair, as well as chia seeds, which help protect your tresses. Apply to clean, wet hair from root to tip, wait 15 minutes and rinse. So that's always nice, and that's an extra treat, that's a bonus. What we've got now, Dr. Botanicals. Oh, pomegranate superfood regenerating sleeping mask. I'm always a little bit nervous with sleeping masks because I'm a wiggler and I don't want to get it all over my pillow and my hair and Ben, and I'll give it a go. This is a Deluxe Mini worth £14. Full size, this is 30ml, full size is 50ml, so this is like 2/3, and you can see, I can see on the, when I hold it up to the light, it's full right to the top, which is nice. Wake up with this energized and refreshed complexion thanks to the regenerating sleeping mask. Rich in moisturizing pomegranate, it's all natural and vegan. Formula deeply nourishes and hydrates your skin. Apply a thin layer to clean dry skin before bed, and let the magic work while you sleep. So I'll definitely give this a go. It's got a slight fruitiness to it, but just like not overpowering, so that's nice. And then our final item is ginormous. What are you? Lovely. It's a shower gel and it's original source. I love original source shower gels, but it's rose water balls. I'll have to give it a sniff and see. Blooming with gorgeous raspberry and a rose scent, this hydrating body wash is a treat for both your skin and your senses, infused with vitamins, antioxidants, moisturising ingredients that nourish and detox your body from the outside in. £2.30, full size. Let's have a sniff. That just smells like raspberry. Oh my god, that smells so lovely. That smells really, really good. That doesn't smell like rose, and I really hate rose, so that is awesome. I'm gonna have to hide this because Ben will steal this. He's so bad for stealing my posh and my nice shower gels. I bought him one yesterday that was 28p from Tesco's because he's not stealing my fancy ones. What have we got? May's Sneak Peek is a Barry M palette. We've either got the Chisel Cheeks Contour Cream Kit or the Cosmic Lights Highlighter Palette. They're on the back there. So you've got the contour and then a highlight. And you'll get either one of those in your May box. That's exciting. And then every month we've got a thing here saying they host a glossy lounge, where they've got deals from Ray-Ban, Remington, Nasty Gal and Boost. And then they do Facebook Lives where you can win prizes, and there's lots of good stuff. So I'll link everything down below for you guys. I'm really happy with that. This feels really nice on my lips, and I've got super dry lips at the moment. So this is a really nice moisturising box. I am intrigued to watch some fruity ones to see what the fruity people got, but mine was the floral one. And it's a keeper because it's pretty. So if you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye guys.